Alright, we're going to be tying a black zebra midge today. We're using a Tiemco hook size 2487 and an 18. We're using ultra wire, small silver, and we're going to be using 6/0 uni thread. To start, you tie in your thread. I'm going to start that right behind the eye. Tungsten bead, back a couple wraps. Clear off your excess. Grab your wire. We're gonna stuff right into that tungsten bead. Once we get it in there, we're gonna wrap forward and secure it down. I like to keep it on the bottom. We're just gonna give it even thread wraps back. I like to go pretty far on this one. Just about to where the hook bends the head back forward. Then we're going to bring our thread back to the front. Once we've got it up near the tungsten bead, I'm going to put some wraps in here, and this is going to help build the body. And then we're going to bring it back down again. Trying to keep it even. And then back forward once again. Now we've done that, we've kind of built a nice little body for ourselves. And we're going to start wrapping our wire forward. The key to this is you just want to keep it nice and even. So we wrap forward here. Boom. Once we get to the front, we're going to wrap 2 behind the head there. We're going to pull it backwards, and we're going to put 1, 2, 3 wraps in front. Now that should be secure. Then we grab our wire. We spin it till it breaks. We go ahead and grab our whip finish. We give it 1, 2, 3. Then I like to go back and give it 1, 2. This seems to hold my fly together a little better when I'm out in the water. We come in here, clear off our excess, and boom, got yourself a zebra midge.